Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to create a fun rustic fall mani using 3 colors from Glitter and Grace. Now the first color here, it's called Rosewood, and it is a beautiful shimmery mauve dip. It's the perfect rosewood. It's like that dusty dark rose. It's very, very pretty, and it has a shimmer in it, but the shimmer is very, very subtle, so it's not overpowering or anything like that. And then we have Sepia, and Sepia is gorgeous. It's probably one of my favorite browns. So this is a brown dip, and it also carries over from Rosewood with those beautiful shimmers, and it's more of a warmer brown. And it's just really gorgeous and really warm for that rustic look we're going for. And then check out this beauty. The name is perfect. It is called Autumn Treasures, and this is a beautiful foil dip of rose gold, golds, browns, there's reds, there's purples, and there's some tiny little sparkles in there. It is overall simply gorgeous, and it's really, really pretty with those extra glitters. And then here are the 3 colors together. So we're going to use all 3, and then we're also going to add some foil accents to the nail as well. We are going to be doing a press-on set using the gel method. So we're going to dive into Sepia here, and you could see that fine glitter. It's just so fine and milled perfectly into that pigment. And if you're not a fan of shimmers, I definitely recommend trying some of the shimmers from Glitter and Grace because they're super subtle and very pretty, and they apply super nicely. So that is one coat. Check out that pigmentation. Isn't it gorgeous? All right, so we're going to dive into this mani process, and I'll pop back in a little bit. All right, now it's time to play with these beautiful foils. So right now I'm just taking a cuticle tool and I'm moving away some of those big chunky foils. And then we're gonna go ahead and dip directly into the middle of that cupcake liner where it's gonna be mostly the pigment and those little glitters and then just a few flakes of foil. You don't wanna pick up too many foils on your first foil dip. And then I'm gonna gently go ahead and remove some of those larger foils off the nail and then press the other foils down gently so we have a nice even flat surface to work on. Now these foils are super easy to work with, and they are melting down really nicely into the nail, and there is no bleeding at all with these foils. So these foils are definitely magical. So don't worry how that nail looks like right now. When we go in with the second dip, we're gonna build up those foils, and then we're gonna add some more foils. And check out how pretty that is with just one layer of dip. It's super pigmented. So I am brushing off that foil dip powder nail pretty well. I just wanna make sure I'm getting all those loose glitters off before we go ahead and dip into the second layer of dip. Now check out how beautiful Sepia is with that second layer of dip. It is stunning. Now Glitter and Grace has very pigmented dip powders, and 2 coats is really all you need. I mean, you really could get away with 1, but I like to build up that color and that opacity. So I did 2 for this mani, and then you will see that beautiful foil in action here in a minute. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys enjoy the mani process, and I'll pop back in at the end. All right, we're just wrapping up this mani here, and how gorgeous and rustic and fall fun is this mani. There's just something about these three colors, and then adding those foil accents is super pretty. I just really like how it turned out. So I will go ahead and link everything in the description box below, including everything that you would need to create your own press-on mani. I hope you enjoyed this mani process. Definitely consider subscribing and stay tuned. There is a bonus upload today, and I'll see you in tomorrow's upload. Bye.